So I was back at bowling today because I'm going back and doing some old videos because they weren't as good and not to the standard that I wanted them to be. So, my first catch today was 2v60 in the 1533 ScotRail service to Springburn from Dumbarton Central with 334013. Then this is 2v43, the 1537 ScotRail service to Dumbarton Central from Springburn with 320.404 in the lead. Then in the rear was 318270. Then this was 2E61, the 1543 ScotRail service to Balloch from Airdrie with 318260 in the lead, and I didn't get a 320 on the end. Then this is 2H46, the 1547 ScotRail service to Edinburgh from Helensburgh Central with 334024 and 334031 in the rear. Then this was 2H11, the 1552 ScotRail service to Helensburgh Central from Edinburgh with 334022. Then this was 2E66, the 1553 ScotRail service to Airdrie from Balloch with 318225 and 318260 in the rear. Then this was 1Z85, the 1558 Royal Scotsman service to Speenbridge from Edinburgh. I don't know if this is normal, but a lot of people were talking about this, so I don't know if it is. However, leading was 66.746 and 66.743 in the rear.